taon na si JC?
Ang edad ko po ay 6.
6. So, ano ang gagawin mo ngayon, anak? Anong talent mo?
I'm gonna play the guitar and sing.
Wow, okay, no? So, may question sa atin, sila ate at kuya, ha? Okay po? Okay.
Sir, pwede mo patingin ng number na? Yes. Thank you. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
May gusto lang akong itanong. Ano kayang gusto mong maging paglaki mo?
Ang gusto ko po paglaki ay
Gusto mo bang maging singer, doctor, teacher?
ecologist.
Wow! That's so nice! Okay, so magkakanta ka, kakanta ka, no? Tsaka magigitara. Okay, galingan mo. Good luck!
The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, I was mistaken, so I bowed my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Ayan, palakpakan po naman natin. Oh, very good, ang galing, no? Baka